Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we want to share you another season of samgupsal recipe. So first, let's slice the spring onion. We're going to use it for the sauce and soak into the water to remove the spicy, and soak it for about 5 minutes, and slice the garlic. Then we're going to coat the fork to starch powder. You can also still fry the fork even without anything, but it is better if you add starch powder. Now let's make a sauce. This will gonna be the flavor of our samgupsal. And add cooking wine and sugar. You can also use brown sugar, and add a bit of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of starch syrup, and lastly add 4 tablespoons of water. Then mix. Okay, now let's fry the fork without any oil, setting into high flame. This recipe is very easy, simple, and a quick time to make. By the way, we want to say thank you for our watching on our previous recipe because you show us that you love samgupsal. That's why today we make another kind of samgupsal recipe. Then cut the fork using scissors and add the soy sauce and lower your flame into medium heat. Then just wait the fork to absorb the sauce and then set aside. And now let's combine this for the dipping sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and also add the sesame seeds. Then pour over the chopped spring onion and remove the water before adding the soy sauce to the spring onion. And now it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this recipe, please give us a like, comment below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy recipe. Thank you and have a good day.